What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Lincoln MKX Smart Key Remote Fob. This Lincoln MKX key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do in order to change the battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and then we'll be able to get the emergency key out like that. Now taking a look at the bottom of the key fob, we see there's this little tab right here that I'm putting the end of the key on. So what I'm going to do is hold it with the buttons facing down, and then I'm going to get my key under that tab and then just pry up, and the back cover will come off like that. And then in the back cover we see our battery right here. And now I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver. You may be able to get this out with your finger, but if you grab something about this size, it works nice to get it under the battery, pop it out of the holder like that. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. So the plus side is going down on the back of the key fob like that. And I'll kind of tuck that edge in first that has that little metal holder, and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.